Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Want to see the time in a stylish way right on your iPhone's home screen? In this guide, I will show you how to add a clock widget in just a few seconds. No apps needed. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen page where you want to add the clock widget. Now tap and hold on an empty area of the home screen until all the app icons start shaking. In the top left corner, tap the Edit button and then tap on the Add Widget option. Now scroll down and tap on the clock widget. You will see different clock styles, including analog, digital, and world clock. Choose the one that you like and tap on Add Widget option. The clock widget will appear on the home screen. Now you can drag the widget to any place you want. When you are done, tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. You have successfully added a clock widget to your iPhone's home screen. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and I will catch you in our next video. Thanks for watching.